So this is going to be quote unquote Telltale's Jurassic Park. So we're doing a Jurassic Park build that is not strictly the movie version, but is based specifically on this map from Telltale's website, promoting Jurassic Park the game from 2011 or whatever it was. So we're going to be using skins from that game for a lot of the animals like Troodon, Hadrosaurus, and we're going to be trying to follow this map. The interesting thing with this map is that it's kind of split up into like an herbivore and a carnivore sector. You can see there's like a perimeter fence stretching from the south to the north of the island through the middle here. And then there's just all these herbivore icons scattered throughout, right? We got the parasaur. Oops, that's not a good tool to use. Let me grab a marker real quick. I should have done that before starting the video, huh? That would have been smart. Yeah, so we've got like this perimeter fence stretching down here, right? And all these herbivores live inside this. And then there's the carnivore fence here, and the carnivores are back and like segmented into this island. And then you have Herrerasaurus, Velociraptor, Troodon is like this one or something. And then you have the marine facility up here on the north end of the island. So we're going to be following this layout with like one big herbivore pen where the tour goes through and then goes through the carnivore pens here in the smaller section before it swings north and comes back down. I haven't decided exactly how we're going to integrate the marine facility into the park proper. That's kind of a hanging question mark that we'll deal with when we get to the marine facility. And yeah, we'll just see how that works out. One of the other big motivations for this is the arrival point being down here and having this path that stretches into the herbivore pen, goes to the little like Brachiosaur lagoon and then comes up. And the neat thing about that, let me get this off the screen now here for the rest of the video. The neat thing about that is thanks to Kyodenic's new arrival tour mod, we can recreate that in game. So we have a helipad here where the visitors to the park will land, and then we have the nearby jeeps that they will board and then enter the park proper. And they will actually get to see the dinosaurs on the tour, the herbivores at least, before they even reach the park. They will come through here on the jeeps. They will go through the perimeter fence, loop around. We'll put in the lagoon up here somewhere, come over here, and they will arrive in the park proper. And then we'll have the main park tour here. We'll also have a river tour, which we'll have to figure out how we want to do that. Another one of Kyodenic's mods and all that. So this is a version of Nublar that I've kind of adjusted to match a little bit more the shape of the island on that map. So we've got kind of a different set of waterways over here, and like these mountains and this bigger river stretching through here that kind of cuts across the entire island. So we'll kind of be building around all this. Yeah, the Tylosaurus might have had direct access to the ocean. Maybe it's kind of ambiguous. For us, we're just going to kind of be building up here inland like a standard lagoon. It's mostly just going to be that it's going to be placed where, you know, it would be in the game, right? All right, so yes, I have to remember how to play JWE2. We need a expedition center and we need a science center. But we don't need a fossil center on this. So these are, we could put these like way back here, kind of as like the field lab from Jurassic Park the game, or as like other buildings from Jurassic Park the game. For the sake of the fact that this is going to be played with real economy, we're going to just put these in the front end of the park for now. And I think later when we actually have more money, we'll move them out. So let's put them just kind of in here somewhere. Did I not have that? No, just the power's not built yet. It is in range. We'll go from there, get this stuff moved out later on to somewhere else. Just do something like that for now. Combined skills of 5 for each stat for Gallimimus. Okay. That is something to keep in mind. Yes, let's look at the research tree. So I made this based on the 30th anniversary campaign map. So I took one of my early saves for that when I was building the island and used it as a base. And that has done weird things to the research tree. Like we have all these unlocked automatically for some reason. And we're just going to roll with that because I don't know why this is or how to fix it. It's something in the save data anyway, so it's not like I can mod this out. But this is fine. Starting with Gallimimus kind of makes conceptual sense for any Jurassic Park build. And we still have Dilophosaurus, which is what I was going to start with originally anyway. So, should be fine. Oh, and we can see our Jeep arrival tour already doing Jeep things. This one's just hanging out here. I don't know what that means. Let's not worry about it. This is going to be very experimental. The big motivation here for doing this the way we're doing it now is I want to test out Kaio's mods because I have other plans for them. So I need to know some of the ins and outs of how they work. And I want to do that on a park build that's not going to be like very, very detailed. Like this was more detailed than I ended up expecting with like island management and design, but it's not anything too crazy. Yeah, so we got like a bunch of extra shit unlocked, aquatics and like flyers. We have a spoiler dig site over there on the east coast of the US. You don't see those very often. All right, so yeah, Gallimimus expedition is 5. So yeah, 5 across the board is probably what we need. 3 genetics faster synth. It's nice to see the employees again, except these employees kind of suck. This guy's good. This guy's really good. All right, Dennis. Your name is a little cursed, you know. I don't know how I feel hiring a Dennis into my park, but we're going to roll with it, I suppose, and hope it doesn't backfire. Yeah, the spread of geneticists looks a little worse, but for now, all we need to do is get digging. We can worry about the rest of that later. So, I might want to build the rest of the herbivore paddock, maybe. Or build a... Perhaps we cut down the existing herbivore paddock. We build a little bit. Here's a problem. I don't have access to this fence anymore. Because I turned research back on. So I can't make this fancy modded fence that we were using. I think we just accept that and we just roll with what we can make. Awkward. Oh well. Alright. It'll be fine. Okay, so we'll just put our hatchery like right here for now. We'll have to put another power thing in, but that's fine. I don't really mind that much. And then, yeah, I think we're just going to kind of run some, like, arbitrary fencing through here. It's just a temporary filler thing on the entrance tour, and we'll just start putting the galleys in here. And then when we actually get everything we actually want in the park a little bit more built up, then we'll take this out and expand out the full herbivore sector that we have planned and go from there. I mean, we could turn off the economy and like go back and like properly build it all with infinite money, but we'll just do it like this. I think it's fine. The lagoon should kind of be, I don't know, like right here maybe. I think for now, we'll just worry about just getting some water in and stuff and not sweat too much about, you know, recreating the Brachiosaur Lagoon perfectly. We'll worry about that for a much more substantial rebuild because we'll probably, like in the film, obviously, they're kind of stopped on a hill and they're like looking down, right? So what we probably want to do is we probably want to lower this area and like build a nice lagoon down in there and try to recreate that scene a little bit. Amenity coverage. Yeah, that would probably be a good thing to do, huh? Well, yeah, I guess it is the same. I had a moment where I was like, wait, are the amenities supposed to look like that in Classic? They do, right? They all look the same. What is this? What? Wait. What mod is doing this? This isn't correct. Something's a little fucky there. Okay, we may have to do a little bit of an experiment because I don't know why that is doing what it's doing. I also can't actually change to chilled drinks now. Maybe because it's deactivated. Okay, so we might have an issue. We might have a little bit of a problem. I don't think we need to research anything right away, right? We just need to get some fossils in. Oh, but now we do need a fossil person, so that is a thing. Okay, so we want... Yeah, we want a 3 here, and then we have our 5 genetics to clone the galleys. So we're looking really for any 3. We've only got the 1 option, and she's not very good, but I think we'll have to take her. It's been quite a while since we played 2. I might miss some things on like the econ front and do something slightly wrong, but we'll see how it works out. In theory, the arrival tour should be enough to get visibility, so we shouldn't need the regular tour for a while. I just wanted to get it in here so we could build around it proper, especially with like the visitor center layout, so that's why we did that. 24 minutes. Could get a response facility in. It's probably not worth the effort. So I think with this power, we make sure we don't hit the electric fence so that we can cheat the power a little bit. Galley's viable. I don't know if we... Oh, it's pretty close, 80%. I mean, I could start a batch, I guess. We'll need a lot. Maybe I should just go for it. Yeah, we could build the restroom and shelter too, but like, we need to at least get a batch going first. All right, random favorite. Yeah. Just thinking about what I set up with skins. That should be right. Oh, we need to research. Yeah. Right, because we can't research that till we get a dinosaur. Okay. Ooh, platinum. Very nice. Okay, and that will finish it. So let's get our scientist on the fossils. And then we need 4 welfare to hatch. There's a 3 generalist. That's almost enough. 94 for 1. So we're gonna have to hire 2 as it stands. Faster incubation 196. And then we do faster extraction is kind of sucks. So I think we take faster synth person here for 94. Alright, well I'll grab you first, I suppose. 274 for 3. 263 for 3. So yeah, it just has to be the generalist. That's not great. Alright. Oh, no, these are 3. Were they not 5 to synth? But they're only 3 to hatch. So I didn't actually need one of those scientists. Okay. Well, I probably should consider firing her then. This one. I think we'll keep it. I guess. It, as if it wasn't a person. Was it only 3 to incubate? Oh, it was. It was only 3. Yeah, you're right. It was 5 to dig up. Yeah. Okay. Well, whatever. We're only, you know, bleeding money, that's all. Alright. Let's see what we got for a Gallimimus herd. We got a juvie! We got a juvenile Gallimimus. So yeah, we should have this set up where the only Gallimimus that have the spots are the small ones, the juveniles. And the full-size galleys are the striped ones, just like in the original film. Isn't modding beautiful?
It's an opportunistic omnivore that does best in groups. That alone isn't the problem.
Double ground leaf. What does that mean?
Is incredibly fast, which
we have some problems in the mod pack, I think. I guess it doesn't matter if they have a double ground leaf need if it's the same meter. Maybe that's because of the juvenile? Maybe the juvenile is set up in a way where it's kind of like a cohab thing? I don't know. The game's a little broken. Alright, activate this. Zero guests. Will that change? Is it supposed to be... Hold on. Are they supposed to have... No, they have a forest need. Forest ground leaf, water, forest ground leaf. Huh. Maybe the mod's out of date? A glitch, something? I'm not going to worry about it if it works. I mean, I'm just going to kind of roll with it. So the drinks are not making any money. We do have visibility, allegedly. But no demand. We have income being generated, though. So is our amenities glitched? Our amenities might be glitched. We also have no path capacity whatsoever. Very curious. I don't know. Let's pause. Yeah. I bet you the arrival tour won't work by itself. That would be my guess. Let's see if we can... Oh, I don't know if the way we've set this up, if we can get this to attach properly. Because I guess we need to run it across the path here for now. Okay, we might turn economy off for a second because things are a little glitchy and weird. And we need to figure out exactly how screwed we might be because of that. or if we're fine. So let's try this. Just run the tour through here. Loop it back. See if that'll do the job. I'm just a little concerned because like the amenity itself is glitchy. Okay, restroom coverage 47%. Oh, okay, we do have things. It's working. We're working. But this won't change. Okay, but this is working. So the UI is glitched. For some reason. Wait. Okay. Fascinating. Okay. I have a theory. Nope. I'm pretty sure I don't have that mod installed that changes your shop designs. That was just something I was looking at, I think. Let's put in a food shop and see if this makes any sense. Yeah, they're all glitched out for some reason.
I only have room for the best when it comes to my team. The fact that you're still here should tell you something.
Well, we didn't have to turn economy off. It's kind of working. Maybe. Wait, 96, 11, 11. Wait, did they change orders? Oh my god. Okay, I think we're just gonna ignore that and hope it's fine. We're profitable anyway, so like, whatever. Another batch of galleys maybe? Now that we have them at full. And then while that's going, let's get our staff centers. Everything's just a little broken. I might have to do, we'll have to do some like, maybe some mod testing off stream before next time and see if we can figure it out. I like these Gallimimus mods a lot. Gives Gally the respect it deserves. I always like Gallimimus. This is the like the full set of like film skins. There's like a film mod that has, I don't know, 4 or 5 different Gallimimus skins. Yeah, we might do Hadrosaurus next, or Parasaur, or both maybe. 420. I mean, I kind of want them all. Oops. Well, that's a pretty good one. So why don't we maybe not sleep on that? We can skip the skittish. Yeah, let's skip these 2 skittish that don't have upside. We'll hatch these 5, I guess. And then we get the contract money, and then we're cooking. So, since we will be having money, let's take a look. Where are... Okay, so Parasaur 300, Hadrosaurus 540k. I'm thinking Para first, then. Para's a little cheaper. Parasaur, and then Hadrosaur to go with our galleys.
Mo dinos, mo money. That's my motto.
So yeah, it looks like the tour couldn't provide appeal by itself. And now that I think about that, maybe that was a warning that was in the video for the mod that Kai put out. A bunch of adults, but there should be a lot more adults than juveniles to recreate like the JP herd, so I'm happy with that.
You've put your organization skills to excellent use dealing with that job. Reminds me of my ex. She used to constantly remind me to be more organized. The lesson stuck with me. She didn't.
Yes, comfort low. Yeah, what are you mad at me, guests? Okay, shelter, accommodation, restroom could be better. Let's get all that put in. Emergency bunker, maybe here. Oh, that's not in view of the power. So let's just put it there. Oh shit, medical. Okay, yes, medical is our new problem. Do we need rangers and medical teams? I can't remember now. Yeah, because the rangers monitor the welfare. I'm going to do that a lot because the pause button and the rotate button are, well, the rotate button is the pause button now. The rotate button from JWE1. Contract, that's what I'm here for. Oh, shoot, I paid for that one. Whoopsies. Increase the number of guests in the park should work with,
More people in the park means more opportunities for things to go sideways.
putting in,
Our
like,
posture
bathrooms
should
and
be
shelters,
proactive.
right?
If we're
Maybe.
reacting, we're already too late.
Oh, great. 27 minutes, 11 minutes. Yeah, now it's all coming back to me. Babysitting your power in the early game. Technically, you only need the medical team? Okay, well, too late now. We'll have both. Should shut that down. All right. What am I doing? What am I doing? Medical is how much? 250, and then we can start like darting them to keep them alive if it's comes down to it, I guess. Undiagnosed ailments in the MVU to check. Oh, well, yeah. Can't get good pictures of anything. Can I just get 2? Is that even possible? No. Oh my god. That's very rude of you, Ranger Team. It's not how that's supposed to work. This guest contract was a bad idea for sure. Oh my god, now the medical team is here too? Oh, jeez. Okay. Wait your turn. Alright, there you go. You can do it now. Automatically dispense to deal with it. Are you, though? What's the actual... What is happening? Friend. Friend. Avian influenza. That's genes. Where am I? Medical. What? Am I? Oh, they're being weird. No, they're not. Wait. Am I losing my mind here? Influenza, not pox, right? No, it's pox. Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm just stupid. Don't mind me. This is the quarantine one, so I guess we just have to have the medical team dart them to keep their health up. Yeah, bird flu, for sure. We're gonna have to kill all the Gallimimus. Sorry, guys, that's it. It's over. Well, as long as we keep making money, I guess we're okay. We're making 1K. This is hideous. Oh, man. It's 100K for a hotel, which may be complete. I don't even think it'll help the, no, it won't really help the guest contract. We do have another contract available. Breed galleys. I mean, that'd be pretty good. We need 3. I don't think we can. How much is it going to cost to get 3?
Keep things interesting.
RFK is the reason the galleys went extinct. That's pretty good. That tracks. I believe it. All right, we're going to try to do this contract, and it's going to suck. We have 8 minutes until we run out of power, too. Oh, I may give us more money. Because we made a lot of mistakes, and things are a little buggy, and I just may not want to deal with trying to, like, sneak through here and make this work. I may just want to... Holy cow, the hitbox is a little weird, huh? Yeah, there's a bunch of galleys and the jeeps and everything. You know what? Maybe we can get enough money here, actually. This is worth okay. Welcome back, Primal Gamer. I'll just call you Primer for short, apparently. That'll work. Yeah, we're properly into the run now. We're doing the episode. It's, just things are a little broken and chaotic. It's fine. Fine. Everything's okay. We're losing money now. We only needed like 3 of these, but that is 180k. All right, here's what we're doing. We're cheaters. We're gonna cheat. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do gameplay. We're gonna do. I'll just click every button, even though I know. All right, just give me medium cash real quick for 1 second. So we're gonna take infinite money, quotation marks. We're gonna get our 3 eggs. We need 3 eggs for the contract. Yeah, 3 eggs for the contract. 1, 2, 3. Assign scientists. Hatch. And now we're gonna do this. We're gonna go back here. We're gonna go back to sandbox, and we're gonna set our money to 0. And that's what we're doing. All right, that's our compromise. Because otherwise, I'm gonna have to like delete a building and like rebuild, and that shit's always annoying. Contract money will finance like a hotel or whatever. Unless we lose before then. But the timer should be more generous than a minute. Oh, these are like way down. Oh, they like shifted a bunch. Oh, so we're not even necessarily losing money specifically because of the other stuff. We're like also losing money because the shops all adjusted themselves. $48, $39, whatever. It's too annoying to quarantine shit, though. I just usually like waiting for them to all get sick. I mean, look, they're almost already all sick. So, like, they've already self-quarantined.
My team is reporting that the job is done. I expected no less. And I'm pleased to see that my expectations have been met.
Hotel can go like here. We making money again? Yep, technically. Alright, so 76. Steaks is 75. Snacks is bugged. We'll just lose money if we put anything else in here. So yeah. Ginger beer, 74. 85. Okay. 85, 74. Wait, leisure wear? These bastards quarantined yet? No, the new ones ain't getting sick yet. What a mess. Are we able to get a contract? Not yet. 3 minutes. And you gotta remind me to turn weather back on at 1 star. At some point. Let's give them their own gate. We have a little bit of money. We might as well stop
Sick dinosaurs in need of immediate
some of this chaos.
See to it.
Are they all sick now? Yes! No! We're not all sick yet? Who's not sick? Okay, it just takes a second to start ticking. They are all sick. Sell more tickets, increase your skills, raise the appeal. I guess tickets.
We're in the paleo curation business, sure, but people only hear that paleo part. However, it's that second business part that's really at our core. Talk about the real survival of the fittest, hmm?
Alright. Can I do power while that's happening? Sure can. Might as well. 7 minutes, 10 minutes. Oh shit, my truck is stuck. My medical team is actually not even in the pen right now. They're still trying to go in the wrong way through the Jeep tour, and they're just blocking everything up. This is a disaster.
Please keep your seatbelts fastened while the truck is moving, as we may encounter difficulties.
We need to actually keep an eye on our stupid vehicles. Yeah, we could try triaging the ones that are like super gonna die. You're a 54, you're a 53, you're fine. We need to get these ones in here. Okay, 21, 28, 47. So we need these two. 65. There's one other one that's dying. 46 back there. Okay, so we're actually almost good. We only have two that are like really close to dying.
Let's call this
Oh,
one
and I didn't get the right ones. Oh no, I did. Okay. Problem is under control. Park is under control. Everything's good. Gravy. And we have 700k on top of all that. Okay, now these amenities have more green. Maybe that's a weird thing with the dinosaurs being sick that makes them shift more towards orange? Or maybe the hotel made the difference? I don't know. 1634. 1596. Okay. So yeah, 2 upgrades is still probably the way to be. Power. Small power station can go in here somewhere. Is that an awful placement? Absolutely. Do I care? No, because we're going to rebuild all of this once the park is more stable. We also need our staff center. Is that last one not like being darted? Oh no, they're lost. They're Are they bugged out? No, they're actually just trying to navigate around the trees. Fine. Ah, green guests dislike sick dinosaurs. I had no idea the mechanics would even have that as a consideration. 3 minutes on power. Alright, all that is sorted though. We get the power in and then we're pretty stable. We are at just about 1 star. Is it contract time? Oops. I clicked the button again to just get one. Increase the number of dinosaurs in the park. Well, sure. Incubate 8 Gallimimus at once. That's
I'd like you to focus on. Once they're ready for
interesting.
release, introduce them into the park.
I guess we try for that, but we need to rest. 8 might be tricky, because we're not guaranteed to get 8. It's only 375k too, but I mean, it's a rebate on dinosaurs, so I mean, it's probably still good. Okay, there's still power being drained here, so I think it's because, yeah, this stuff down here is not close enough. And then I'm sure we need a station down here. Alright, it's completely hideous, but it's fine. We'll improve it over time. The big thing is just getting started. Oops. Okay, profits are all right. Why is this still draining power? What is that one powering? We just do this? Oh, this stuff back here. Let's focus on the contract. Let's not go dig anything up until we get our 8. Okay, viable 10. Stick. We just need 8. Alright, we're going to take adults. Because I don't want too many juveniles. Or they're not special enough.
You've got that objective all wrapped up. This is me giving you a high five.
Oh, 2 batches should work if they overlap. Interesting. This is still powering something. What is this powering? This one is still not close. Oh my god. These are so tiny. Seriously. You're killing me. Awful. Hideous. Alright, they're going to need even more ground leaf. Thinning out the trees is not a bad idea for the purposes of medical and teams getting in here too. Missing forest. Are you though? No, you're fine. I guess I never got my ranger team properly assigned. Well, I just kind of want a herd distribution that like mimics the original film
As our tour continues,
with like mostly adults.
our payload
Kind of what I'm thinking at least. So how many did we end up having in here? I guess the easy way to do it is to check this. We are at 25 Gallimimus. That's a nice number of galleys for like the full park, honestly. Don't hate that. Okay, so if we dig up parrots, 2 dig sites, and one of them overlaps, right? Just with Carnivores though. Let's just dig it up. Let's do parrot. That's fine. Yeah, I don't want to look at this icon. I'm going to just kill this. Okay, well, I think we can wrap this one up here for today. Till next time.